Hi, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to dry herbs available at home and store for longer time and use it whenever required. In my previous video I shown you how to make oregano at home. You can search it in my channel by the name Homemade Oregano, and also I will provide the link in description box. In this video we will discuss about remaining three. First, let us see parsley. You can take fresh coriander leaves, also known as cilantro, from your garden or home. One major advantage of drying it is whenever if we bring coriander from market, we bring it in large quantity, but most of the leaves gets damaged. In order to prevent this, also you can dry it and use everywhere it is required. Just take some leaves and wash with fresh running water and cut them and pat dry with paper towel and then keep them under sun for 2 days. They will easily gets dried, or you can microwave it for 5 minutes. Your fresh dried parsley that you can store about 6 months if kept in cool place is ready. Next is basil. You all know that it is also known as tulsi, which will be available mostly in every house, and also it is more beneficial for health. Just pluck some basil leaves and wash with water and pat dry with paper towel and keep under sun for 2 days. Our fresh healthy dry basil is ready. You can use it even while making tea or whenever it is required. Next is dried rosemary. If you have this rosemary plant in your garden, then just pluck some leaves and wash with fresh water, and then you can microwave or dry under sun for 2 days. Your fresh dry rosemary is ready. You can use it in Italian or Mexican dishes. You can also dry mint, and it has many uses. Wash the leaves and then dry under sun for 1 or 2 days, or you can microwave it to dry. Finally, our dried herbs are ready. So you can see they are totally dried under sun. So this is dried parsley, and this one is dried mint, and this one is dry basil. So you can see just by crushing it with my hand, they are easily crushable. So just by sun drying for 2 days, they can be easily crushed with our hands. And if you have prepared in large quantity, then it's better to grind them in a mixer jar. So they are crushed and ready to use herbs. So this is dry mint, and this one is dry basil, and this one is dried parsley. So finally our dried crushed herbs are ready to use everywhere according to our requirement. If you don't have rosemary, then just dry oregano, basil, parsley and mint. Store in a glass jar and place in a cool place and use whenever required. If you bring them from market, they are costly and also preservatives will be added. So better to do them at home itself. Our fresh dry herbs will be ready. So guys, if you liked my video, please like, share, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you for watching.